This is the 200-watt Bonnor electric vegetable slicer, food chopper, and cheese grater with 3 stainless steel blades, and all the food parts are dishwasher safe. It's powerful and flexible, but simple and easy to use. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look because it's amazing. The first blade is already installed here, and then these are your 2 additional blades, so you've got 3 in total. To remove the blade, you take this out, you flip it over, you use both thumbs at the end, and it just pops off. You see, that's where it locks in right there. This is your chipping disc for slicing cucumbers, making potato chips, stuff like that. 1.2 millimeter. This is your thin strip blade for finely shredding things into thin strips. And this is your thick shredding blade for thicker, chunkier shreds. These are not adjustable. They are just set exactly perfectly, but between the 3, you're gonna be able to shred and slice whatever you need, whether it's cabbage, carrots, cheese, you name it. I love that these are stainless steel, so you can throw them in your dishwasher. Nice little nubs on here to help you push the vegetables or cheese or whatever down into the shredder. This is plastic. Here is the user's manual for the Bonnor vegetable slicer, model E50. It goes over the full assembly, which is super helpful, especially the first few times you use it when you take it apart to wash it and then you're like, how do I put it back together? Well, this is how. It's actually very, very simple. You've got your base and then you've got your 3 metal blades you can swap out. They also just break it down for you step by step, how to assemble, how to use it, how to clean it, everything. You could take everything apart to clean it, either wash by hand or throw in the dishwasher. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get it cleaned and then we're gonna start using it and test it out. Let's go. We are washed and ready to go. Here are all of the pieces. First you put on this bit. The shooter is coming out the left side. Then we're gonna put this bit in there. Next is gonna be this, and inside here, you've gotta put one of these 3 blades. So we're gonna go with this one. We're gonna slice some cucumbers. This goes in first, then it comes down, and then this is gonna snap over and lock in place here. And then this is gonna go inside. Next is your cover. You put it down, and then this bit here twists to lock in. This bit does have to turn and lock into place, and this one as well. Otherwise, it's not gonna turn on. And even look how thoughtful that is. It's cut out so you can fit a bowl or a plate, whatever. There is one issue that this is not big enough for a large cucumber. It's not gonna go down in there. So certain things you'll have to cut down to size, and then we won't be able to get a full slice of this, but we'll get halvesies. Woo! 1 speed only. So simple. Like, no learning curve here. Only the order of assembling it is the only thing. But there's the diagram, so it's actually really easy. Oh my gosh. So fast. This thing is so incredibly fast, I cannot believe it. Look at how beautifully thin, uniformly cut. Just really great. These are gonna be amazing for a salad sliced like this. If you get a smaller cucumber, it will fit in here. Just the super big ones won't. You could even bring this lid with you to the grocery store to make sure you're not getting ones that are too big if you want the full circular slices. Now we are going to unplug it to be safe. And we are going to swap out the disc blade. We're gonna try shredding some carrots. So again, you just turn it over, pop that one out, put in the other blade, put it back in, lock everything in. So here we're gonna do a bowl. Okay, this is where we gotta use our this one to keep it down. All right. It does make a little bit of a mess, nothing major. You could put bigger bowl or plate or just be prepared to clean up a little bit. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for salad, for coleslaw. Look at that, perfection. Now we're gonna try one more thing and then we're gonna compare the carrots with the two sizes. Wow, very interesting. So the cheese grater kind of one did them much thinner, and then this one did them much like chunkier, but they're both very, very small and fine. Wow. All the pieces come apart to just really easily hand wash or throw in the dishwasher, like really simple. Here's a look inside. Again, everything just comes off, and then that, your base, of course you're not gonna wash that. You got a little bit of gook. You can just wipe that with a washcloth. Oh my gosh. This thing is so amazing. It's so easy to use, easy to clean. It's compact. It looks nice. I absolutely love it. And I know you will too.